class. We are not in contact with you personally because of the spread of coronavirus. But I hope that same interest and concentration you will show to me and listen to me with full attentive ears. Now, today we are doing English for class 5. The topic is Icarus and the Daedalus. Now, there was once in an ancient Greek a very clever man called Daedalus. He was an inventor, one who invents something new. Once he made a labyrinth for Minos, the king of Crete. So King Minos was the king of Crete. The characters here are king of Crete. And labyrinth is when we enter a labyrinth, we come one passage leading to another. A labyrinth is a building full of passages. One passage leads to another and another and another. A person who goes in never finds his way out from a labyrinth. King Minos, what did he do? He used the labyrinth as a prison for a monster. In the center of the labyrinth, he put a monster, King Minos, he put a monster, Minotaur. Monster name is Minotaur. He was put in the labyrinth by King Minos. Minotaur was a monster who was put in the labyrinth by King Minos. He had the body of a man and the head of a bull. King Minos put the Minotaur at the center of the labyrinth. King Minos put the Minotaur, that is the monster, at the center of the labyrinth. The monster was given 7 young men and 7 young women as food, but these men were from Athens. At last, a young prince came and he decided to go into the labyrinth and kill the monster. But he had to get out again. King Minos' daughter fell in love with the Athenian king. The young prince comes to kill the monster. The young prince comes and King Minos' daughter falls in love with this man, with this young prince, Athenian prince. King Minos' daughter fell in love with the Athenian prince. She begged Daedalus to tell him the way out of labyrinth. She went to Daedalus and she cried, "How can we come?" Because Daedalus had made the labyrinth, he knew how to come out of the labyrinth. So Daedalus had some pity on the young girl and he told, "You go to the center of the labyrinth and give that prince a ball of thread and let him tie one end of the bundle of thread to the entrance of the labyrinth. And then as he comes out, let him unwind the thread gradually. And in this way he will be out of the prince did the same and he was out of the labyrinth. And both the prince and the princess, they sailed off to Athens. The prince killed the Minotaur. The prince got out of the labyrinth and went to Athens. Both they went to Athens. But King Minos shot Daedalus. He got very angry because the young prince had killed the monster. And he knew, King Minos knew, nobody can go into the labyrinth because Daedalus only had made, I think it is Daedalus who helped him to enter the. So what he does, he impresses Daedalus and his son. Icarus is his son. Daedalus and his son Icarus both are imprisoned into the tower. And they are not allowed to go out. Day and night Daedalus is thinking how I can come out of this tower. So what he does, he takes many of the feathers of the bird's feathers, makes it into a wing and ties up to his shoulder with the help of a wax. And he tries. With that he was able to fly. And looking at this, the young son also, he gave one set of wings to the young son and told, better you have to be very careful when you fly. Do not go very near to the sea because they will wet your wings. And do not go very far high into the sun because the heat of the sun will melt the wax and the wax is only attaching the feathers to our wings. Always be in the middle path. You will be safe if you take the middle path. But Icarus was so excited about flying up and down. He flew up and down. He forgot his father's advice and he went very close to the sun. The sun's heat melted the wax and the wings fell one by one into. And gradually, with that, Icarus was drowned in the sea. And Daedalus was very sad for having lost his son. This is the story about. And now, just to take the vocabulary, Daedalus, take the words, children. Vocabulary words, new words. Daedalus, inventor, labyrinth, monster, miniature, wonder, announcement. So these are the words that you are going to learn. Daedalus is the name of the Greek inventor, one who invents. Labyrinth, one who goes into the labyrinth cannot come out. Monster, devil-like creature. Miniature, the name given to the monster. Wandered, roamed about, announcement. So these you will just open the index page first and write lesson number 1, serial number 2 you write. Serial number, go to the index page. Yesterday you wrote serial 1 or in the morning you wrote serial 1 and topic and teacher's sign. Under 1 you had lesson 1, words, meanings. Under 2nd you shall have lesson, no, this is not lesson 1, this is lesson 3. Sorry, lesson 3, words and meanings. Now you open to classwork, page number 1. We shall go to the meaning parts now. You finish with the vocabulary, now with the meanings. Just open your English reader, page number 24. Page number 24, lesson 3rd, Icarus and Daedalus. The first meaning, labyrinth, a maze. You are caught in the labyrinth. You cannot come out, that is labyrinth. Maze. Labyrinth, a maze, no doubt. Inventor, a person who makes something which has never been made before. Nowadays, scientists are busy inventing a vaccine for the corona. Inventor. Something very much new. So, inventor is a person who makes something which has never been made before. Island is a piece of land surrounded by water on all four sides. Sri Lanka is a marvelous island. Lakshadweep is a marvelous island. Marvelous, extremely good. Kalam was a marvelous person. Marvelous, extremely good. Wizard, moved quickly through the air, passing through the air. The birds whistled through the air. Bitterly, in an anger or hurt manner. King Minos was very angry when he learned that the monster had escaped. Now, just to turn to page 25. So, children, once more again, we shall do with the meanings. Labyrinth, please note down, a maze. Second meaning, inventor, a person who makes something which has never been made before. Sentence. Nowadays scientists are busy trying for a new vaccine for corona. Inventing a new vaccine for corona. Island, a piece of land surrounded by water. Marvelous, extremely good. Dr. Kalam was a marvelous personality. Whisked, moved quickly through the air. The birds whisked through the air. Bitterly, in an angry or hurt manner. Now, page number 25, answer these questions. Who was Daedalus? What did he make for King Minos? He was a very clever inventor. He made a labyrinth for King Minos, the king of Greece. So you're going to write here, Daedalus was a clever inventor. He made many inventions, but he made a labyrinth for King Minos, who was the king of Crete. Second question, what did King Minos use the labyrinth for? What did King Minos use the labyrinth for? King Minos used the labyrinth as a prison for the monster Minotaur, whose body was of a man and the head of a bull. Second, what did King Minos use the labyrinth for? King Minos used the labyrinth as a prison for the monster Minotaur, whose body was a man and head of a bull. Who was Minotaur? Minotaur was the monster with the body of the man and the head of the bull. Fourth question, how did King Minos decide to punish the people of Athens? King Minos punished the king of Athens. He would send, after every 9 years, he would send 7 young women and 7 young men to the monster to be killed and eaten. And these young men and women were from Athens. That is how he punished, by giving persons from Athens to the monster to eat them up. How did the Athenian prince get out of the labyrinth? King Minos' daughter fell in love with the prince and she wanted to release the prince from the labyrinth. So she goes to Daedalus and begs him. Daedalus was the inventor of the labyrinth. He took pity on the girl and he told, give the prince a bundle of thread. Let him tie the first end of the thread to the labyrinth, and as he is coming out, let him unwind. Gradually, the prince goes through the maze and is successful in coming out of the maze. Why did King Minos and Daedalus shut Daedalus in a tower? Daedalus had helped the prince to come out of the maze, because Daedalus was the inventor of the labyrinth. He helped the young prince, the Athenian prince, who went out into the labyrinth, and he released him. So this annoyed King Minos very much. Why did King Minos? So he shut Daedalus in a tower. Daedalus had helped the young prince to get out of labyrinth. So King Minos shut Daedalus in a tower. Who was Icarus? Icarus was the only son of Daedalus. Who was Daedalus? What did Daedalus instruct him before escaping from the tower? Before escaping from the tower, Daedalus gave his son Icarus a set of wings and told him, my son, be very careful. Do not go very near to the sea. The sea water will wet your wings. And do not go very near to the sun. The sun's heat will melt the wax. The wax is the only thing which attaches the wings to the feathers to the birds. Be very careful. Always use the middle path. But Icarus was so excited, he went up and down and forgot to follow his father's advice, and he went very near to the sun. The sun's heat melted the wax, and one by one the wings fell into the ground, and at last even Icarus got drowned in the sea. And this saddened his father Daedalus a lot. He missed his son, his dead son, a lot. How did the Icarus Sea get its name? Icarus died in that part of the sea, his father Daedalus named him the Icarian Sea. As Icarus was drowned in the sea, in that part of the sea got the name Icarus. Now children, you know, adjectives are describing words. They describe a noun. For example, Rita is a gentle girl. Gentle is the adjective here. The pillow is very soft. Kangaroos are dash animals. Gentle animal. The teacher asked a dash question to the class. Hard question. Rohan is a kind boy. Kind is an adjective describing that. What kind of boy is Rohan? The mother was dashed at the girl for breaking the glass. The mother was angry. The mother was angry at the girl for breaking the glass. There was a dash noise in the city. There was a loud noise in the city. So kangaroos are gentle, first one. The teacher are hard, Rohan kind, angry. These are describing words which describe the noun. These are known as the adjectives. Now you have to tell me a few adjectives of your own. A beautiful doll, a black cloud, a gentle lady, the gentle breeze. You have to underline the nouns here. Now for your homework, I ask you to read the lessons. For today's homework, please note down the homework for today. Read the lesson for loud lesson reading. Loud lesson reading test. First, second one, learn the vocabulary words and meanings. Third one, learn by heart all the answers. Learn by heart all answers. And fourth one, in a world map, mark only Greece. Where is Greece? Greece. Only Greece, one place will be marked. Where is Greece? Mark the place Greece. So this is all for today. Hope you understood the lesson and hope you will again read the lesson by yourself and read many more interesting stories, Greek stories, and keep yourself busy. Be always with your parents. Have dinner together with your parents. Wash your hands frequently. Be safe, children, and get ready for next class. Thank you.